Hello everybody, welcome to this new Derek tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to search leads from a list of specific companies. Let me show you. Let's go to Derek. Let's open the extension. We will use this feature in leads. You go to search leads in companies. And as you can see, you will need a list of companies to target and a query of leads to target in Sales Navigator. First, for the companies, you will need the company URL column. Here I have a list of company name. It's not enough. So I have two options. So option one, I have the list of companies. So I will search with Derek the company URLs LinkedIn. So I go to companies, I go search LinkedIn companies, and I select the company name column. So Derek will search for me the company's URL in LinkedIn Sales Navigator. Let's go search. Okay, great. Now I have my list of company URLs. Derek found all the company URLs from my company names. So now I can start searching the leads from those companies. But first, let me show you the second option. If you don't have a list of company names or of company URLs, you can search those companies in Sales Navigator and import them in Google Sheets. Let me show you. You go to Sales Navigator, you go to Account Filters, and you search your companies with filters. For example, let's go industry, fashion, retail, apparel and fashion. Let's go France. Let's select companies with a number of employees. And I have my list of companies here. I go copy this URL. I go back to my Google Sheets. I go to companies, import LinkedIn companies, and I paste the URL. And let's go import. We have a new sheet here. And let's see. Okay, the import is done. So now you have your list of company URLs that you will be able to use in your search leads in companies feature. So I have two lists of company URLs. I will choose this one, the second option, and I will go back to my feature. Let's go search leads in companies. First, I select the column company URL. So I will select this one. It's called company URL. I go next, select leads. And here I will need the URL of a query of leads in Sales Navigator. So I go back to Sales Navigator. I go search leads. I will clear all the filters. And I want to target directors of this list of companies. Sorry. So I go to job title. I will put my filter director. I put it in English and in French. And that's it. I have a list of LinkedIn of leads of directors. Actually, I have 20 million results, but Derek will choose only the directors who work in those companies. So let's copy this URL. Let's go back to our Google Sheets and I copy the URL here. And I go import. And you will see a new sheet in your Google Sheet, sorry. Okay, the import started. And now you have your list of leads who work in this list of companies, sorry. Let's check. I will grab a company name, a random one. I go back to my list and I will search. And as you can see, Eden Park was in my list of company names. So that's it. You have your list of directors who work in fashion company brands. If you have any question, you can put comments under the video. And if you like the video, you can put a thumbs up. And see you in the next video. Bye!